SOUN stock is approaching $7.30 and this level could determine the next move. Over the past several sessions, SOUN has been pulling back after failing near the $8.98 resistance area. Price recently attempted another push toward 853 but faced rejection and has now moved back into the lower part of the range. The key support to watch is $7.30, while the next resistance level sits near $7.93 with stronger resistance above at $8.53. If SOUN can reclaim and break above $7.93 with a daily closing confirmation, the next potential move could push toward $8.53. If you want my structured daily execution plan before market open, it is available inside Patreon, link in the description.